Hello everyone, this is Asma Khalid from Cloud Pages, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can change the font of your WordPress site to add your own taste or just to rebrand your WordPress site. Okay, so not everyone is on the same level. Some people might be comfortable with changing the font using a CSS code, or some people might not be tech savvy and they want a direct approach. In this video, I'll be showing you three methods with which we can very easily change the font in a WordPress site, both with code and by using a plugin. So without further ado, let's just go straight to the video. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you the three ways in which you can change the font of a WordPress site. Number one would be to, if you want to change the complete font of the complete WordPress site all the way through. Number two would be if you just want to change the font of a specific portion of a WordPress site. And number one and two are used if you're good with your codings. There's number three, font change, if we want to change the font but we are not a tech savvy and we want an easy approach, a direct approach, we'll go with the third option. So starting with the first one, if you want to change the whole font of the WordPress site, it's very easy. You only have to add one little code. So coming into your WordPress dashboard, just simply click on Appearance, click on Theme Editor. From here, select your style.css and enter this little code over here. Font family I have turned into cursive, so wherever the whole WordPress site will be turned into cursive, and once I update the file, my whole style will be cursive. Okay, so that's the first one. And the second one is if I just want to change, for example, if I only want to change the H2 heading of my site, how can I do that? So coming again in the appearance, let's click on customize this time. So we're going to customize the theme a little. Click on additional CSS. Over here you can see the H2 heading. Now I'm going to add font family cursive. Now as soon as I enter a semicolon, you will see that this is my H2 tag and this will be changed. As you guys can see, automatically my H2 tag has been changed, and wherever H2 tag is added, it has been changed to cursive font family. So that's the second option. Of course, you can add many options to it. Please do not mess with the CSS codes unless you know what you're doing, unless you know exactly how you can manipulate the codes, because if you mess this up, it will have a complete impact on your WordPress site. So that's why you have to remember the codes and how you can enter it, remember their syntaxes. So if you're not a tech savvy and you're just a straightforward person with a straightforward approach, you want all of your options to be displayed in front of you instead of memorizing codes, there's a third option, which is a plugin. So coming back to our site, this is our dashboard. Click on plugins, click on add new. From here, search for plugin Easy Google Fonts. There are a lot of plugins for this kind of manipulation, but we're just going to select the Easy Google Font with the 300,000 active installations. Once you do that, you will see you will have to activate it also. So once you do that, you will see that in the settings section, an Easy Google Font tab has been added. When you click on it, click on the edit one, you have to enter the control name. So we want to change the paragraph, for example. So I have already entered paragraphs. In paragraphs, since I have selected paragraphs, I'm going to enter the P tab. So the P tab has been added. So I will add save font control. My font control has been saved. Now how can I manipulate my font now? So coming to appearance, click on customize. Once you come to customize, click on typography. From here, click on theme typography. As you guys can see, my paragraphs has been added over here. Once I click it, all of my options will be displayed over here. So this is my paragraph right over here. I want to change it. I want to add an underline to it. So I will just simply select underline from text decoration, and wherever I have used a paragraph, a P tab, automatically my underline will be added. Same way, if I want to change the style of it, I want to change the color of it, I can do that. Also, I can change the position of it. For example, I want to add margins, I can do that very easily. I can also change the padding, the border, and there are a lot of options for you, but the options are right in front of you. You don't have to remember their codes to manipulate your design for your fonts. So that's it for this video. If you still have any questions, just drop a comment in the comment section. Thank you.